The top part. The top part is done, so it's all okay. It's all done. Now one more thing I have to just add here, which is not so important, but I feel it is important. It is regarding the base of it, the legs of it, whatever. So the legs, what you have to do is just remember the legs. Mostly don't go for pin legs here. In our project, in resin project, don't go for pin legs. Pin legs as in independent legs. Because what will happen is, because we have experienced it. What happens is sometimes if you put pin legs here and if the ratio of resin is at one side, so what will happen if it is kept in sun or extreme heat or with pressure and all? This is end of the day. This is it. It at least it takes 2 months to cure actually. So end of the day, it is hardened plastic. It is not like absolute. It is flexible, but it is like really very hard. It is like tough as anything. It will not break. I've thrown it from second floor also. We've tested a lot. It does not break, but it bends sometimes. If it is kept freely with pressure and all, sometimes it bends. Your project will bend. If your project is like this, and if there are two wood pieces at the extreme end, and if this is the mass of resin here, the majority is resin, and if there is no support at the under, if there is no support, gradually, like we have done a conference table. So it was done in that fashion. That was long time ago, like 3 years back it was. So we have done that conference table, and it was independent. It was done with independently. We didn't focus on the middle part because that time we didn't know about this thing. So these are like some tips that I am giving you. So gradually what happened, just in like 1-2 months, the whole the table which was smooth and straight became like a boat. It became like an arc. It bent so much because of the pressure and all. So it was a disaster. So that is the reason why I tell you, just when you do your legs and all, just like give it a support, just give it a support on this, like don't keep it freely, just make sure, because just keep this in mind, it might bend sometime. There are a lot of reasons, because it depends upon the resin also that you are using, upon the curing time. There are a lot of climate, extreme heat. Extreme heat also, one time it just bends, it just stays there. There are a lot of things, but just make sure you just give a support to it from all the sides. Don't keep it freely, like give some support to it. Even if you are doing pin legs, do those pin legs which has connectivity, so that you can just place it on top. So if you do that and just screw it, after that just screw it, just accordingly, like according to your project, just try to screw it. We sometimes we use this tapes and all. There is a lot of other ways that you can do it. So this thing also, the base is also very important, and also the base could be done in whatever, in wood or metal or whatever that is up to your preference. But make sure you don't keep it independently. Just give a support to it. So this is all, this is all it is. And as I told you, there is a lot. What I have just explained to you, it is according to me, I consider it like 20%. There is a lot in detail. But if I tell you, it will not make any sense to you. You have to do a lot of practice. Basically, you have to start. You have to start your thing. So then you'll just, once you start doing it, it will be whatever that I told you, then it will make sense, and then the things will be absolutely easy. So explain it, there is only this much technical thing I can tell you. But when you do, that is your thing. I can just show you the door, you have to enter now. You have to do. Just don't take this knowledge and just don't sit, because you'll just forget everything. Once you do it, just make at least a small project. Just to, once you do it, you'll just understand what problems you're having. You can just contact us and we'll just tell you, you have to do like this, this was missing, this was that. Whenever you are going to buy equipments and all, just if you are finding any difficulties, I'll tell you, I'll give you the option, everything. So don't worry, we are there all the time with you. Don't worry, because Our students, they have already started. You must have seen on our sites and all. They have already started doing it, and that also they like perfectly they've started, because once you start, you know everything. And if there is some hiccups, we just tell you to do this and that. So that is the thing. So good luck with everything, and just if you want, go for our other courses also, and we'll be also telling you, how to price your project in the later courses, how to price your project. Once you do your project, that is one thing. Then you have to, they ask you what is the price of your project. So there is a lot of science to it also. How you have to price your project, how you have to get a project done so that you make a lot of profit to it. There are ways, how are the shortcut ways, and then how you have to do the marketing and all. So those will be explained in other courses, which will be coming up in future. So just stay tuned, just be our family, and obviously you'll be updated all the time. All the latest, everything will be always shared to you on our Telegram group. There will be a link of our Telegram group. Just contact us. There will be a link of our Telegram group. Just click there and just enter the group, and we'll be just putting in our group, so that we know, so that you are a part of our community or part of our family now. So just come in our Telegram group after the completion of your course. Just come in our Telegram group and just be part of it. And every day there will be updates. There will be videos that we'll be sharing you, which we don't share outside to the world. It's just for our community. All the difficulties, all the discussion, all the date when we'll be going live, everything will be shared. There will be a certain day that I'll be coming live. I'll be just sharing the details on our social sites and on our Telegram groups. I'll be coming live, and I'll be taking live questions and all. There will be a lot of live session. There will be a lot of videos that I'll be sharing. Don't worry. So just thank you very much for choosing this art form. Just this is the future of. This is now the future, because it is like a big thing in America and Europe, and whatever is big there, it has to come here. Now it's already started. That is the reason why you are here. It is a big industry, and more the merrier. So we are population on 1.30 crores. So just imagine, it's a huge market. Once you do your projects and all, no two projects will be the same. So whatever project that you will be doing, that it will be unique to the other project. So don't worry about, you should share your project. You should tell the others also, because your project will be your project, and that will be your masterpiece. So it is a big market now. So take it seriously, because in the future it will be in near future, because everything is digital now. Because we started this because we are getting a lot of orders, and there are no people, there is no community which does this. So that is the reason why we are creating our own community now. So even we'll be helping you with everything. So thank you so much for all this thing, and thank you so much for your time also, and congratulations. And I'm just looking forward for meeting again, and meeting you all in person also, on live chats also. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.